Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. Guys, if your iPhone doesn't work call recording iOS 18. So today in this video, I will explain why doesn't work your iPhone call recording features iOS 18. Let's start the video. First, open your iPhone settings. Tap on General option. Tap on Software Update. This iPhone has been updated iOS 18 but doesn't work. Call recording features. I hope you have same problem. iOS 18 call recording features only working in iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, or iPhone 16 series. But if you're using iPhone 12 series, iPhone 13 series, and iPhone 14 series, in this case your iPhone doesn't work call recording feature iOS 18. If you want to get this call recording features in your iPhone, so wait for new update iOS 18.1. iOS 18.1 work all iPhone call recording features. Another method is update your iPhone iOS 18.1 beta version, then working call recording features in your iPhone. Just tap on Beta Update. Then tap on iOS 18 Public Beta. If you don't have the Beta Update option, so first enable Beta version. Let's see how to enable beta version in your iPhone. Go to Home screen. Then open your any browser and search Apple Developer Beta iOS 18 download. Then visit the first website. Then tap on Download button and sign into Apple Developer with your Apple ID email or password. Then enable to download. Then update iOS 18.1 beta version. Then you can use call recording features in your iPhone.